How do 1/2-inch wheel spacers before and after look like? Will BMW M4 wheel spacers make a difference? If you are interested in buying new offset rims for BMW M4, you may have run across 1/2-inch wheel spacers. By spacing the wheels out about 1/2 inch, wheel spacers solve rubbing problems easily and quickly. The 1/2-inch BMW M4 wheel spacers are auto accessories that add more inner wheel clearance. Whether you are upgrading to wider tires or bigger performance brakes, keeping the back spacing correct will avoid most rubbing problems. If you want to have more accurate data, it is better to measure the wheel gap by increasing the track width. The contact points of the tires are enlarged, which results in both stability and smoothness. For most car mode lovers, these 1/2-inch BMW M4 wheel spacers are the easiest and most cost-effective way to get a more aggressive stance. Before installing the wheel spacers for a BMW M4, it is important to check that the spacers have the correct size of the hub and the bolt pattern for your BMW M4. With the correct dimensions, you can use these 1/2-inch BMW M4 wheel spacers without any problems. Simply put, the 1/2-inch BMW M4 wheel spacers are almost the same as many low offset wheels. The best part is that a set of quality wheel spacers can provide a similar effect as offset wheels but cost less. Just like the wheels, forged aluminum is better than cast steel. Bonus for 1/2-inch BMW M4 wheel spacers are made of high-quality forged 60661T6 and 707T6 aluminum alloy. After the unique super forging process, the strength, hardness, and toughness are greatly enhanced. The main advantages of the bonus wheel spacers is the lightweight plus. The benefit of the lightweight plus design of the bonus M4 wheel spacers means that the whole design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacer. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling, while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared to previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.